Sa paggunita ng ikalimampung anibersaryo ng diplomatikong relasyon ng Pilipinas at China, nagpahayag si Vice President Sara Duterte ng pag-asa na magtutulungan ang dalawang bansa sa pagharap sa mga hamon na kanilang kinakaharap. Isa na nga rito ang sigalot sa West Philippine Sea, gaya ng patuloy na pananatili ng tinaguriang monster ship ng China sa loob ng exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas.
Over 5 decades, our nations have sought to enrich our bilateral relations on the basis of sovereign equality, achieving milestones in various areas of cooperation.
Ayon kay VP Sara, ang taong 2025 ay makabuluhan dahil itong ikalimampung anibersaryo ng pagkakatatag ng diplomatikong relasyon ng dalawang bansa.
This year is especially meaningful as we celebrate the 50th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between the Philippines and China. As we honor this legacy, let us look ahead with hope and determination, working together to address common challenges and foster a harmonious and prosperous future for all.
Inihalin tulad ni Duterte ang simbolismo ng Chinese zodiac sign na Year of the Wood Snake para sa 2025 na naglalarawan ng karunungan, katatagan at kakayahang umangkop. Bukod kay Vice President Sara Duterte, hiling din ni Chinese Ambassador to the Philippines Wang Shilian ang mas malakas at mas matatag na pagkakaibigan ng China at Pilipinas na inukit na raw ng kasaysayan.
I look forward to seeing both sides remain committed to the original aspiration, answer to the core of our two people, and work together to promote the bilateral ties so as to bring even greater benefits to the 1.5 billion people of our two countries together.
In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Jigo Custodio ng 105.1 Brigada News of Manila, The Music News Authority.